morning, campers and folks. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's actually like 1:30 in the afternoon, but this is our morning today. Look at that nice Volvo mid-roof. Nice. Look at what we woke up to. That's a beautiful view. I could not see that last night when I parked here because it was very late. But we're here, so I need to check my lights and everything before we go. Now you saw the air cuff lock on. Cool. So, you saw the air cuff lock. The air cuff lock lets me leave my key in the ignition, but the truck can't move because they can't release the brakes. So. Good enough. Fifth wheel latched. Pulled the hood already. So we're good to go. How much fuel do you burn overnight? Quarter tank, that's not great. Blinker. Blinker. Blink. 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 Cool. Tires. That all looks pretty good. Apologies for the wind noise. Blink, guys. Ding. Ding. Yay. Turn signal. Yay. Going. Cool. So yeah, that was a real quick walk around before we get rolling here. We are in. We're near Ely, Nevada. Ely, Nevada. Meant to say. So you can. Right there. That's fine, right? Yeah, that's probably fine. Light test off. Air cuff lock off. Alright, so the engine looks good. Walk around looks good. Nice quick walk around, nothing too intense. We did a full-blown inspection when we picked up the trailer just last night. Crawling up underneath and everything. We don't have, or we have a spare tire on this one. We did not have a spare on the trailer we dropped. So that's always reassuring. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. Kind of high altitude up here. Also, I'm fat. Give me power. 4 minutes before I roll out for today. I don't need to drive with my hoodie on. What am I doing? Driving with my hoodie on is a really good way to overheat. Or let the truck get way too cold inside without realizing it because I'm wearing a hoodie. Better. I would rather just have the temperature control like proper temperatures and stuff. So yeah, we are near Ely, Nevada. We're heading down into SoCal. Specifically one of the many suburbs of Los Angeles. We're going to a Safeway distribution center, so that'll be fun. Never been there before, but we've got the awkwardness that is a customer in the LA basin, which won't let me arrive more than 30 minutes early, which is super awkward. Like, it's just frustrating in a place like that with such bad traffic. I would normally give myself an hour of wiggle room to get to a customer with LA traffic, and sometimes that's not even enough. But no, here it's the only good thing with it is that a motel? I think that's a motel. Kind of adorable. Doesn't look like it's been used lately. Half the doors are broken. Okay, so not ideal. But in the LA basin, at least we've got what's going for us tonight is that the delivery is like 3 a.m. So we shouldn't hit much traffic, if any. We're going to be coming down I-15. We're going down to Las Vegas on 93, and then we'll catch I-15 in Vegas and I-15 down to San Bernardino, and then use a couple of local freeways to get to local freeways. That sounds weird to say out loud, but LA has local freeways. We'll use a couple local freeways to get to the customer, and then that'll be in the middle of the night. So hopefully we'll be able to get there without much traffic difficulty. So, because we're going to be aiming to arrive exactly 30 minutes early, so if we hit any delays, we're in trouble. Plus, there's the whole 55-mile-an-hour California speed limit, which is awkward. Awkward. Let's go ahead and pressurize the trailer while I'm sitting here. You have to have the trailer brakes popped. So no air in the system, which means the spring brakes are engaged, which is the valve popped out. So the trailer brakes have to be set in order to put the air cuff lock on there. So let's refill my air tanks. You can probably hear the nice hiss of air going. But yeah, so we're going to go down to LA and deliver some cargo. Took some time off in Missoula, got a new computer, paid my taxes, so I'm officially broke again. Taxes took pretty much all of my savings account, and I had barely enough left over to buy a new computer. So at least we got the new computer. But yeah, we still haven't replaced the camera or microphone yet. So we're still on the phone for recording, but you know, the quality's actually been pretty decent, so I'm not too upset about that. I don't know what else I'm forgetting. It's been a good week. It's been a very good week. We're staying on, I talked to my boss about potentially going to regional again, and they still think it's a good idea for me to stick to prime side, because the prime side is performing a bit better right now. So we're going to stay on the reefer hauling for now. I'm doing fine over here, so it doesn't really bother me. Just a little more awkward to get back up to Missoula when I want to take time off. But that's fine. Our next planned time off isn't even going to be in Missoula. It's just going to be wherever the heck I happen to be when Avengers comes out. So that'll be fun. Saw Shazam. Shazam was good. Last act, A+. Pacing was kind of all over the place in the rest of the movie, but it's fine. It came together. I saw Captain Marvel when that came out a couple weeks ago. That was amazing. I liked it, if you couldn't tell. Alright, time for me to roll. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Come say hi on Twitter at @ElioDare. No apostrophe in the username. It's in the real name, but not in the username. It's just computers are awkward like that. Also, you can go to eliodare.com and it will redirect to the YouTube channel that you're already on, which is not very useful information for you, but I think it's cool because I actually own eliodare.com now. Also, no apostrophe in the URL. So, awkward. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.